Hello, this is Craig with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to discuss the Horizon Elite installation checklist. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. Also, remove power from the unit when appropriate. The tools and supplies you'll need for this are as follows: the installation checklist, a Phillips head screwdriver, a TDS meter, a digital multimeter, a thermometer, a 1 quart or larger graduated container, a smartphone, tablet, or camera. Record the serial number, the manufacturing date, and the model number of the ice machine. Complete both the customer information and the installer information portion of the checklist. These sections must be completed fully. Record the dispenser or bin model information. Record the ice machine position, top mount, wall mount, under counter, or ride. Remove the front grill, unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws, and remove the machine cover. Record the TDS setting after installation. Close the water valve, then disconnect the incoming water line at the John Guest fitting as shown. Collect 5 to 6 ounces of water. Reattach the water line. Ensure it is fully seated in the fitting and open the valve. Record the incoming water total dissolved solids, TDS, with the TDS meter. Record the temperature of the water. Use a thermometer placed near the front of the machine and record the air temperature. We will now test the drain function of the ice machine. Remove the drain line as shown and place into a 1 quart or larger graduated container. Press the clean switch to purge the water from the ice machine. You should collect approximately 20 ounces in 20 seconds to verify that the drain is functioning properly. Use a digital multimeter to determine the running amperage peak value and record. Also record the running voltage of the ice machine. Complete an ice production check on the ice machine by collecting ice for either 10 or 15 minutes. Please refer to the ice production test video at follettice.com/service video library. Finally, email photos of the drain lines, refrigeration lines, transport tube connection to either the bin or the dispenser, along with the completed checklist to eliteinstall@follettice.com.